1-1.
Thank you so much for joining us on this Sunday. It's May 7th. I'm Katrina Smith, meteorologist Eric Gage in the Weather Center, and for a change, we're talking about sunny weather, blue skies. Wow, Eric, just
I know.
wow.
I remember like last weekend, I was just talking about rain, and then, you know, there's more rain, and just we couldn't get out of that weather pattern. And now we have sunshine, beautiful blue skies across the area this morning. And for the most part, dry today, but clouds begin to increase, and our very low chance of rain showers for this week end up arriving tonight. So,
I didn't hear that.
so let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2, off the radar. Again, dry for now, but out to the west, we are seeing this brief round of rain that will begin to arrive closer to sunset tonight. Our timing, at least for now, looks to be a little bit after sunset, but this is the main weather maker for the entire week ahead, as additional rain showers are possible generally south of our area for Tuesday, and after that, dry weather at least until the weekend. So with the headlines, again, a nice day today, temperatures in the 60s, increasing clouds with rain showers late, and we do even have some top 10 days on the horizon. And for today, though, high of 69 degrees, rain showers developing late. We'll look at what to expect for the week ahead, and spoiler alert, we got lots of sunshine coming up. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much, Eric. 4 teens were taking.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning. Overnight temperatures bottomed out in the mid-30s for a lot of the area. We were already in the mid-50s this morning with lots of sunshine. In fact, here's a live look outside from our Nexus camera looking at Utica. And again, blue skies across the board. A very beautiful start to your Sunday, and in fact, the first Sunday of May. And a live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2, off the radar. Quiet conditions on the radar right now, but you can notice just very far off to the right of your screen, you can see some rain showers developing. And these will begin to move into our area closer to sunset. For the most part today, though, things are looking mainly dry for the morning and early afternoon. And speaking of today, around the clock with temperatures warming up already into the mid-50s this morning, warming up into the 60s by noon, and we could reach the 70s depending on how much sunshine we see closer to 2 and 3 p.m. However, clouds will be increasing throughout the day. Wind speeds, a calm light breeze is going to be expected for the most part of today. And weather grades across the board, again, lots of sunshine this morning, but increasing clouds throughout the day, and by 5 to 6 p.m., those rain chances begin to increase as a weak low-pressure disturbance moves into our area from the west. And speaking of nice weather, if you're going to get the lawn mowed, today would be a great day to do that, especially for the early afternoon. And great weather is expected for tomorrow as well as Tuesday. However, there is a very, very low chance of rain showers from a system moving its way south of us. The Mowcast is brought to you by Clinton Tractor. Radar and satellite composite that a dome of high pressure is moving its way out towards the east, and behind it a brief round of rain showers out towards Michigan and Canada right now. This is the main area we're keeping our eye out for, because this will move into our area right around sunset, bringing in some rain showers and possibly a rumble of thunder, especially with the elevated instability south of the Mohawk Valley. So, on our Skycast, a beautiful day with increasing clouds, already reaching the mid-60s by noon. We could be reaching the lower 70s by 5 p.m. And then right around sunset, we're seeing these rain showers move through again very quickly, not a complete washout for tonight. And then after that, things dry out briefly heading into early Monday morning. Temperatures already in the upper 40s to low 50s. Some patchy fog, but plenty of sunshine is expected for Monday, although slightly breezy, with temperatures warming up into the mid to upper 60s. For today, high of 69 degrees, increasing clouds with rain showers arriving late. Tonight, rain showers, a low of 48 degrees. Our 7-day forecast, we have top 10 days this week. Our picks for Wednesday and Thursday, low humidity, lots of sunshine, and temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s. And our trivia question: on what continent is the driest place on Earth located?
It's got to be, you'd think it was Africa, right? But it's probably not.
And I'm trying to trick you.
Because it's tricky. It's Antarctica.
Antarctica, yeah, it's Antarctica. There's a place called the Dry Valleys, and it has zero rain. Obviously, it's Antarctica, so you don't see any rain showers at all.
Yeah.
and it has extreme low humidity, almost no ice, so it's just a dry stretch of area in the middle of Antarctica. So it's the driest place on Earth.
Yeah, you think desert, Africa, and you immediately go
It's
there.
surprising,
But
yeah.
You're a tricky little one today. Thank you, Eric. Well, the 3rd East Utica. Welcome back, and thank you so much for joining us for another half hour of News Channel 2 Weekend Today. I'm Katrina Smith, and you see some blue skies behind me. I want to get right over to the Weather Center with meteorologist Eric Gage. Eric, it's not raining for once.
Yeah, it's the first time, at least the past 2 weekend shows
Yeah.
we've had, where it's just been not raining. It's sunny out right now. It's
People
just
were
blue
asking,
skies.
like, at one point during that, like, is this going to, like, will this stop? Because I
It
don't
was
think we saw
insane. We had a
sun for
traffic jam of weather pretty much, and it just was just rain just sticking around. And thankfully, the congestion's over, the light turned green, and now we have sunshine moving in. And for the near future, not only going to see a lot more dry weather, warmer temperatures as well. In fact, our 6 to 10 day temperature outlook are going to be slightly above average temperatures for most of the week, reaching the mid to upper 60s. Now, along with the warmer temperatures and sunshine, unfortunately comes allergies, especially with pollen levels going to be very high as we enter the peak pollen season this week, with warmer temperatures and, again, lots of sunshine. Now, live look at the radar, still things are dry, but we're looking our way out towards the west as rain showers begin to move into our area, but things look to remain dry at least until closer to sunset as a brief round of rain moves through. After that, mostly dry weather expected for the entire week ahead. More details on that coming up. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much, Eric.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
As you look outside, lots of sunshine for your Sunday morning with increasing clouds today, warmer temperatures reaching the upper 60s to low 70s, and then a brief round of rain showers arriving closer to sunset for at least as we head into this evening. Let's take a live look outside. Our Cooperstown camera brought to you by Utica National, and still looking at beautiful conditions across central New York this morning. And a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 is off the radar. Things are quiet across the area this morning, but further out towards the west, we are tracking some rain showers beginning to arrive, and these look to hold off at least until sunset for tonight. So if you have any plans outdoors today, the morning and afternoon, at least early afternoon, is looking dry, but closer to sunset between 4 and 6 p.m., things start to turn relatively unsettled. And in fact, around the clock today, temperature-wise, warming up already into the upper 50s this morning, reaching the mid-60s by noontime, and possibly the low 70s by 3 to 4 p.m., depending on cloud cover. Wind speeds across the area today, too, still on the lighter side, so a light breeze, not too bad in terms of wind speed. And for weather grade, still sunshine this morning, increasing clouds. But between 5 and 6 p.m., notice those chances of rain showers begin to increase as that disturbance moves into our area. So the bigger picture, a dome of high pressure that brought us lots of sunshine this morning and even yesterday is slowly moving its way out towards the east, and behind it, some rain showers begin to develop. And this area right here, again, this is the area that is going to be influencing our weather, at least for the near term. Behind that, though, more dry weather expected behind that front, and we're also talking about a very nice start to the work week for Monday, even into parts of Tuesday. So looking at our skycast for today, temperatures warming up into the mid-60s by noontime, increasing clouds, a bit more cloudy today compared to yesterday. After that, mostly cloudy skies by 5 to 6 p.m. Temperatures still ranging in the upper 60s to low 70s. And then some rain showers beginning to arrive very briefly closer to sunset. And things look to dry out almost entirely as we head into the early morning hours for Monday. Still some patchy fog from that moisture, but other than that, things dry out with lots of sunshine by Monday afternoon. Temperatures warming up into the mid to upper 60s with a decent breeze from the west, but still looking to be a very nice spring day for your Monday. After that, though, looking at relatively quiet weather as you head into Tuesday. Temperatures in the early morning hours in the upper 30s to low 40s, and then more sunshine expected with a chance of some rain showers developing south that could slightly push north into our area. For today, high of 69 degrees, increasing clouds with rain showers late tonight, low 48 with some scattered showers continuing. Our 7-day forecast, again, we have top 10 days selected for Wednesday and Thursday this week. Low humidity, lots of sunshine, and temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s, and a chance of some rain showers, at least as we head into Friday of this week. And our trivia question, New York State was the first state to require license plates. True or false?
Gee, I don't know. It sounds like something that New York State would pioneer, right? True.
True, you are 2 for 2 today. Yeah, it was the first state to require tags in 1901 around April 25th. So it was mandated that motor vehicles must register with the state.
Here in New York.
Here in New York. And I think that Massachusetts was the first state to provide them, but I think New York was the first one to require them.
To say you have to have it.
So my guess is probably they required it, but they didn't provide it, so maybe you had to pay for it.
Right.
I don't know about that, but.
Kidding. All right, thanks, Eric. We love it. Well, May is Mental Health Awareness.
It was another absolutely gorgeous day out there today. Meteorologist Eric Gage joins us now. A beautiful rainbow in Hinckley Lake the other day. I noticed many people in the area, I should say, noticed that on Friday.
Yeah, a lot of really good pictures today. In fact, this is what was sent in today from my Friday. Beautiful double rainbow. This is almost a background-worthy picture. You might have to put this in our weather center. Beautiful right there. Another picture sent in too by Kate Conover is a sun halo. This is when we have upper-level clouds entirely made of ice reflecting and refracting lights. For those of you wondering what you saw today, it is a sun halo. And our third picture sent in, we got some hummingbirds, if you can spot them right here. We got hummingbirds finally coming into the Mohawk Valley. And just a heads up for those of you that are cleaning your hummingbird feeders, make sure to use a vinegar mixture, if any, as soap and water, in fact, any other chemicals could be harmful to those hummingbirds. Now, after a very nice day, we are talking about rain showers arriving this evening. Here's a live look at Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. After some brief rain showers moving through tonight, we do dry out tomorrow along with some patchy fog by the early morning hours. And right now temperatures are still in the 60s with very low humidity. Is a beautiful day across the area. And again tonight, rain showers cooling down into the mid 40s. A beautiful stretch of weather for the week ahead. Look at that full forecast is coming up. Back to you, Ben.
Thank you very much, Eric.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening. It's been the beautiful first weekend of May. However, rain showers are going to briefly move through our area this evening. However, we do dry out long term, at least for the near future, at least for the week ahead. And here's a live look at our Utica National Camera. We're looking Main Street in Cooperstown. Still dry weather in Cooperstown right now, but notice the clouds are still moving in from the west ahead of these rain showers. Here's a live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. As these rain showers move through, a brief round of rain, still very limited instability. Our chances for thunder have since lowered, so our main threat right now is going to be some light rain showers. Not too bad. These will push through at least over the next several hours, and behind that, some patchy fog overnight into early tomorrow morning. But after that, dry weather for the most part for the full entirety of the week. And looking at our sky watches this evening, we actually hit 70 degrees in the Mohawk Valley, 70 checking in New Hartford, 67 up north in West Leiden, 69 in Mohawk, 66 degrees up in Curtis Corners. Southern Valley's temperatures in the 60s, 67 over in Eaton, 69 in the Mohawk Valley up in Whitesboro, 68 Paynes Hollow as well as Westford, and 6 degrees in Milford, and 67 in West Lawrence. This should not say first 5 days of May. This should be the first full week of May, second week of May. Or look at a week ahead, 60s and 70s are the main story for this week, and lots of sunshine. We do have some rain showers possible as we head into Tuesday, generally south of our area, and these could pop up slightly north, but for the most part, looking to remain mostly dry. Same thing for Wednesday as well. We have 2 top 10 days, in my opinion, for Wednesday and Thursday with lots of sunshine. Still a decent breeze, but not too bad with very low humidity. We don't really get that too much, at least when we head into summertime. So enjoy these very low humid and lots of sunny sunshine continuous days for Wednesday and Thursday. By Friday, though, some pop-up showers are possible with partly cloudy skies, and sunshine could still linger on into the weekend, but rain chances do increase as we head into Sunday. So look at our skycast. Some rain showers moving through again. Not too bad. Not going to be expecting a lot of rain showers. These look to push through overnight and by early tomorrow morning. Just some patchy fog. Things are looking relatively dry, warming up into the mid to upper 60s. Lots of sunshine, a slight breeze from the west, but a beautiful day in store for your Monday. And as we head into Tuesday as well, still lots of sunshine with a chance of some pop-up showers, especially south of our area. And we'll keep an eye on those, especially as we head into Monday and Tuesday of this week. So for tonight, low 48 degrees, scattered showers. Tomorrow, a high of 69 degrees with some morning fog, but plenty of sunshine. Our 7-day forecast, move those top 10 days over just a little bit. Some overnight showers tonight. Heading into Monday, things are looking dry. A very, very low chance of rain for Tuesday, but plenty of sunshine for Wednesday and Thursday. A low chance of rain again for Friday, but things dry out a little bit for Saturday, and still 70s for the weekend next weekend.
Now for first look at forecast tonight at 11, here's meteorologist Eric Gage. Good evening, Eric.
Good evening, Ben. This week is shaping up to be a perfect week for outdoor grilling. And in fact, for tomorrow, lots of sunshine, although some patchy fog and some clouds starting out in the morning, but sunshine moves in by the afternoon. And tomorrow will be just the only day of breaking out the grill and, in fact, go out and grab some hot dogs, burgers, because for the week ahead, things are shaping up to be very warm and dry. And a live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. As expected, these rain showers are quickly moving their way to the east, and behind it, dry weather in store. Just some lingering clouds that will come to an end again by the early afternoon tomorrow, with plenty of sunshine set up for the evening. Now, temperatures right now are still on the mild side and won't fall too much. Already still in the low to mid 50s across central New York. And lows tonight down into the mid to upper 40s. Not as chilly as last night. And again, lingering clouds, some patchy fog, sunshine tomorrow by the afternoon. Even nicer weather for the week ahead. Look at that full forecast is coming up. Back to you, Ben.
Thank you very much, Eric.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening. After a beautiful first weekend of May, we're still seeing some lingering rain showers, but those are still coming to an end, and the week ahead is looking mostly dry. Here's a live look outside from our Nexus camera looking at downtown Utica. Still some wet roads right for now, but still ponding in the roadways is low as rain showers are continuing to shift their way to the southeast. Behind that, looking at dry air and just still some lingering clouds that will continue at least for the early morning hours tomorrow. And in fact, take a look at the week ahead. The big story are going to be the warmer temperatures, at least between Monday through Wednesday, highs reaching the low to mid 60s. Starting out with Monday, again, patchy fog in the morning, but still lingering clouds. Some sunshine expected for the evening. Our next at least some chance of seeing rain showers. Look to be on Tuesday. It's a system remains mostly south of our area, but a few pop-up showers could pop up in the southern valleys. North Country, Mohawk Valley look to be entirely dry by Tuesday. For Wednesday, mostly sunny. Going to be a top 10 day with low humidity. Again, lots of sunshine, and that will continue into Thursday as well. Even slightly warmer too, but rain chances slowly begin to increase as we head towards the end of the week by Friday with some pop-up showers. Again, not a complete washout, a similar setup as we've been seeing with a hit or miss showers mixture with sunshine. Now, as look ahead for the week, now, although we got a lot of good news, the only downside with this nice weather is the pollen levels. Very high levels of pollen, especially tree pollen from ash, maple, and birch. And this will be pretty much the peak of pollen season as we head into this week, even into parts of next week, as we saw all that rainfall and then warmer temperatures followed by lots of sunshine, make way for plenty of blossoms. In a radar and satellite composite, that brief round of rain just quickly moved through, and as soon as it came, it is already leaving our area. Behind it, still dry weather and a high pressure setup north of Canada that will gradually move its way south into our area, bringing dry weather for your Monday. And looking at the higher details in terms of weather for the next couple of days, still starting out with lingering clouds tomorrow morning, but those clouds gradually disappear by the afternoon with plenty of sunshine, temperatures reaching the mid 60s, a bit on the breezy side, but not too bad with low humidity. As we head into overnight hours for early Tuesday morning, temperatures plummeting back down into the upper 30s to low 40s. And again, we're keeping an eye on that system. You see those clouds right there remaining entirely south of our area. But again, those few pop-up showers could develop, especially in the southern valleys, specifically in the Shenango and Otsego County area. But again, those chances are very low as for the most part, it still stays south. But stay with us for the next couple of days in case those rain showers inch their way just a little bit further north. For tonight, low 48 degrees, scattered showers have gradually come to an end. Tomorrow, some patchy fog in the morning with mostly cloudy skies. However, sunshine is expected for the afternoon. Our 7-day forecast, we have 2 top 10 days this week, both Wednesday and Thursday. Low humidity, lots of sunshine, temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s. A brief round of rain possible for Friday, but sunshine makes way again as we head into Saturday.